Maintain your toilet auger by cleaning and drying it after every use to prevent germ transfer and corrosion. After retracting the cable, wipe it down with paper towels to remove hair and debris, then apply a household disinfectant spray or a diluted bleach solution at 1:10 ratio and wipe again, making sure to reach the coil and the head. For the handle and drum housing, use a disinfectant wipe or cloth and avoid soaking bearings or sealed parts to prevent trapped moisture. Rinse the auger head under warm running water if heavily soiled, but never leave the cable submerged in the bowl or a bucket, because trapped water speeds corrosion and transfers contaminants. To dry, run the cable back and forth a few inches and then hang the auger with the cable fully extended until all visible moisture evaporates. Or wipe with a clean dry cloth and let air dry in a ventilated area. Lubricate the cable lightly with a thin film of silicone spray or a light machine oil once monthly to reduce friction and prevent rust, wiping off excess to avoid drips. Store the auger coiled loosely in a dry, safe space off the floor, away from direct bathroom humidity, and cover the drum with a cloth or soft bag to keep dust off. Common mistakes include leaving the auger wet or soaking in the toilet bowl, which promotes rust and cross-contamination. Fix this by always drying the cable and head and never rinsing in the bowl. Another is over-lubricating with heavy grease that attracts dirt and gums the cable. Instead, use a light silicone spray and wipe off any excess. A third issue is improper storage on the floor where it sits in damp air and collects debris. Solve that by hanging it vertically or placing it in a ventilated cabinet so it stays dry and away from children or pets. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we help homeowners connect with local contractors and find practical guidance on home tool care. We offer a discussion community so users can ask questions, share experiences, and help each other find contractors and solve common maintenance problems.